Baguio. Wala pa rin akong board. Kasi galing ako dito. Pero yeah, pupunta ako sa isang coffee shop. Bye! Dati girl ay so many people. Ang cool. I hate that I can hate. I hate that I can hate you from the way that you ignore me, the way that you still plans as not a purpose but only a mere consequence. Cute say. Cute. January. I never wanted to feel love again, but when I met you, you became the displacement. Gusto kong lumapit pero I know you're not ready yet. Alam kong napakatanga ko pero I believe you are worth the wait. May ulan. Kasi with you, I felt peace like none the rain comforts me. I hope you heal and matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. I'll wait for you. Dear present me, Matayan son and baby girl, please always be the dear future. I hope everything goes well. If you feel alone, add me on IG. It's a poetry. June 2025, that said yes to him. Now, no more gap. Healing, forgiving, and moving forward. Let's see. Sana mamatay na lahat ng cheater. True. Oh, shucks. Ali, you will love this. To the Heartbreak Prince, graduate na ako. A line from the movie, I'm drunk, I love you. A line that is literal and figurative. She graduated from the school along with the longing of her love, who never felt the same way. For 7 years, she waited and stayed for her best friend to see her as someone more. 7 years, it's been 10 months since I've fallen for you. But in the heart of a teenage girl, it's been eternity. Yesterday, I graduated recognition, and in those 7 months, I'll attempt to move on from you. I told myself and everyone that I will be finally over you by recognition. I would be finally over you by recognition. I've imagined naman where yesterday would been the last time we saw each other again. I just wanted to see you one last time with high honors, but haven't learned anything about love. Here I am writing letters and happy for everyone to read, but it's never going to be you. From 10 months of liking you, to 8 days of living to go where my heart can finally give up in navigating yours. I sit here watching the window, seeing how just life and how love works. I pray to the church. Sana makagraduate na talaga siya. So, ang dami letters dito, pero I'm gonna try to read. Friendship. Ang init eh. Ay, yung braso ko yun. Yan, nagtanggal ako. Ganda dito, pero ang init niya. Hindi siya para sa mga weak. You can see it there also. Speaking of... Yep. Go. Kahit wala na tayong pamasahe pa uwi. Wala eh. Oh. Wala nga. Walang laman ng palad ko. Ang gana siya. Hehehehe.